Hi, this is Julie with Pettyjohn Quilting. I want to share a tip with you about how I am burying my ends in my quilt. Now, I have two threads right here. I ran out of bobbin, and so I picked my way back, get a good place there. And how I normally would do it is I would put a needle right here and then try to tie a knot that would end up about right in here. Well, here's what I'm doing now, and this seems to be working really great. It's so easy. It just feels like cheating. I'm going to cross this over, trying to get this where you can see. I know my hand's right in the way. Sorry. Okay, what I'm doing is just like a shoelace tie right here. I've got like a shoelace tie one time. Now I'm going to do that again to form a knot. So I'm making my knot first instead of putting the needle on. So I've got a knot down here. Now here's the really cool part. I now keep this needle all the time in my pin cushion. I've got a little bitty thread right here that I have tied the ends, and I use this over and over and over, so I don't have to tie thread, or I don't even have to thread this needle each time. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the needle in here right where the thread's coming out, go a little ways into the quilt. Okay, my hand I see right there, all right, is hiding everything. Here we go. Okay, can you see right down in here? It's coming out. Okay, it's coming out right here. All right, so I've got my needle and thread in there. Now what I'm going to do is find this loop, all right, and I'm going to take my threads and put them through the loop, and then I hold them. I don't pull on them tight or anything, but I hold them over here to keep control of them. And now I'm just going to pull this needle through here with the thread that's on it, plus it's going to pull my thread from my quilt through. It's going to pull the knot right into the quilt. This still has a thread on it for the next time this happens. And then I'm going to snip my thread very, very close to the quilt right there. And my threads are buried in the quilt. Isn't that cool? So easy. I hope it works for you. Let me know.